What's up? It's my furry friends on YouTube. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account private. Now, by doing this, the only people that will be able to see your posts are the people that you accept to follow you, and it's going to show as a locked profile. And for people that aren't following you, they won't be able to see your followers or your following list or your posts. They'll only be able to see your name and your bio. It's super helpful if you want privacy on the internet and just want to share photos for your friends. So the first thing you're going to do is hit your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner. And then hit the 3 lines in the upper right hand corner. And then all the way at the top, you're going to hit the settings tab. It is a first tab on the menu. And then 4 tabs down, you're going to see a tab for privacy. And then the first option at the top of privacy is for a private account, and you can just switch the lever to go private. Now, I'm on a creator account, and for those, you can't be private. So the only way to do this brings up a great point, because the only way to do this is if you just have a standard Instagram account and you're not tracking your data. It's just made for super low-key accounts and not accounts that really need to track themselves. That's pretty much all there is to it, though. If you had any questions on how this works, don't be afraid to comment them down below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this tutorial helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.